So for cancer, how long do you stay on the gram-a-day RSO protocol? So how long, like after you finish the 60-gram kit, do you continue on with that gram a day? This is a question that I get asked a lot over here at MyFitLife, and it was actually asked today in our Cannabis Oil Secrets community. So in case you're not familiar, the Rick Simpson Oil kit or regimen is 60 grams of RSO, or full extract cannabis oil. And you start off, with the doses at a smaller level, and then over the days, you ramp up to 1,000 milligrams or a gram a day. And you continue on with the gram a day until you finish that 60-gram kit, okay? But what do you do when that 60-gram kit is finished? Alrighty, so over here at MyFitLife, like we said, we start off small, and let me go over here real quick. So we start off small, and you ramp up every 3 days about 100 milligrams until you reach the 1,000 milligrams per day, okay? And it takes 30 days to reach that gram a day. 1,000 milligrams is a gram. So it takes 30 days to reach that gram a day, and it's about 15 grams that's used up during that 30-day period. So there's roughly 45 grams left. So 45 more days of doing a gram a day, plus that 30 days that it took you to get to a gram a day. That's 75 days that it takes to finish the 60-gram kit over here at MyFitLife. So what do you do once that is finished? And basically, there's two options. And again, this is my opinion. It's not medical advice. And this is what pretty much everybody does over here, at MyFitLife and with the Cannabis Oil Secrets community. So once you finish the 60-gram kit, the protocol, there's two options. Number one, if the cancer is gone, then you go into a maintenance phase, okay? And that's to prevent reoccurrence of the cancer. So you go from the gram a day, the 1,000 milligrams a day, and then you taper down into the maintenance phase, which is typically about 100 to 200 milligrams per day, depending on how your body reacts to the RSO, okay? So that's if the cancer is gone after the 60 days, which is possible. Most people don't have that, but it is possible for a certain segment of people that are very diligent and that react really well to the RSO or feco. Alrighty. And then option number two is if the cancer is still present, then you continue with the gram a day or the 1,000 milligrams a day of the feco or RSO until the desired goal is achieved. And that desired goal is typically either having the cancer be in hardcore remission or to have no detectable cancer in your body. And that's the goal that I would have. If I had the cancer, I would have the goal of having no detectable cancer in my body. Alrighty. And then also in the interim, when you're on the RSO protocol, the Rick Simpson Oil protocol, there's things that you should do like outside of that to make sure that you have the best success possible. All right. So number one, for sure, you take all doses every day, like no skipping days, no skipping doses. You take the MSM and the Shilajit elixirs, which are the supporting supplements for the RSO that makes it work so much better. Like all three together, I call the trifecta of health, and they just work amazing together because they have a synergy. You do the 21-day reset, which is a detoxification protocol or program. And then you eat an alkaline mucus-free diet, which you've sort of are shown how to do that in the 21-day reset. You get rid of the biofilm with our biofilm busting protocol. And then finally, you have a warrior mindset, no victim mentality. All right. So to recap, once you finish the 60-gram, RSO protocol or regimen, and again, this is my opinion, not medical advice. Number one, if the cancer is gone, then you go into a maintenance phase to prevent reoccurrence. And again, that's typically 100 to 200 milligrams per day. And the other option is if the cancer is still present, then you continue with the gram a day of the feco or RSO until the desired goal is achieved, which is typically either cancer in hardcore remission or no detectable cancer in your body. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out. And I really do encourage you to join our free Cannabis Oil Secrets community The link will be in the description below. Again, this is Al Morentin with My Fit Life and Cannabis Oil Secrets. I hope you have a beautiful day.